Hi guys, Nisi Harmon here, Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be talking to you about the Nonstick Foot that you can use with your Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. Now, if you look in my description section, I do have a link where you can purchase a foot like this. So what the purpose of a Nonstick Foot, some people call it a Teflon Sewing Foot, is to assist with the slippage or sticking or sliding of fabrics like leather, pleather. This is a piece of pleather or vinyl or things like that, and they will slide. It also helps with making the sewing stitch smooth, and it helps with skip stitches as well as uneven stitching. So that's why you would use this type of foot. What I'm going to do is show you, I guess, how to sew with it, which is the basic stitch. And then I'm going to show you another tip and trick that you can use just in case you do not have a nonstick foot at home. First, I'm going to put the nonstick foot on, and I'm just going to snap it down on the presser foot like that, and make sure the fabric is going through the toes and to the back. I'm going to take my faux leather here. You will see that this foot seamlessly goes along the faux leather, and it's not sliding in any way. Okay, so perfect stitch, right? Sometimes on acrylic or vinyl, same thing. It's a really nice stitch. So I'm using the straight stitch foot here, and this is what I would do back in the day. I would take my foot, put it down. I would take my business card and I would put it here. I wouldn't let the needle hit it. I would not let the needle hit it, the business card. But if I was sewing, I would put the business card right beside the needle, and I would sew like this, and as I continued the stitch, I would stop and continue to move the business card, and that is how I would sew those fabrics that would slide or stick. So that's another option. So if you don't have a nonstick foot, you can always use a business card. Thank you for watching this tutorial of how to use and utilize the nonstick foot on a Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. Leave us your comment, subscribe to our page, like our video, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and give us new video ideas. And happy sewing!